Alright guys, we're going to be making pork sandwiches. So I got some pork chops, and then right now I'm adding pepper and salt into a bowl so I can season them more easily. I also add a little bit of garlic powder, as well as paprika to one. My husband wanted one without brown sugar. I do add brown sugar to mine later because I kind of like a little bit more sweetness with my pork, but that's just me. I gauged the seasonings. I definitely did not measure it out. Overall, it turned out good in my opinion. So we only took out 2 little pork loins. It wasn't anything crazy. That's my husband. It wasn't anything crazy. There comes with a pack of 4, so you can save 2 for later, or if you're really hungry, you can have all 4. So he was gonna go crazy and just dump it on there, but he's taking it out and gently seasoning it, or not gently, but he's seasoning it, you know, and he seasons mine as well. And then you want to make sure you get it all over the pork and rub it in, because we want that flavoring to stick, because we are going to sear it, and it will burn a little bit, but it's nice to get that flavoring to stick on there, you know. And make sure to flip and apply it to both sides. We want this pork to be well seasoned because everything tastes better with seasoning. Season your shit. Do a good job in seasoning it. So go ahead and flip it over, and once again add the seasoning to both sides, rub it in. So there you have it. There's the seasoned pork loins that we are going to be searing. And that's me. I'm adding a little bit of brown sugar to mine because, like I said, I like mine a little more sweet. I like that sweetness. Give me that sugar. Okay, so make sure your pan is hot before you add the oil, because oil heats really, really fast, and we do not want the shit to burn. Sorry, I'm cussing so much. Okay, so we want our pork to sear, and you can see the smaller one, which was mine, burned a little bit more because of the brown sugar, but it added for a nice kind of crispiness that I really enjoyed. And my husband's, as you can see, is not as crispy because he did not add sugar. We were checking the temperature on these pork loins to make sure they're cooked. They were good to go. They're pretty thin, so you don't need to cook them too long. So yeah, it was a really quick and easy meal to make. It did not take super long time. I got some butter buns instead of some regular hamburger buns for a little extra special. And I just put some barbecue sauce and lettuce, and my yummy meal was ready to go. I've never made pork sandwiches before. This is a fun twist. I think I'll definitely do it again. We tried a different seasoning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. It was super fun and easy to make. Slap that patty on top. Delightful. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.